Let's talk about SAF and Defense Distributed teaming up to sue California over their precursor gun parts laws. You know, if you want to piss off the AFT, you should hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications, hit that thumbs up, and share this video. My name is John Crump, and I'm the host of this show. And this is John Crump News, and you are the Wolverines, and you are the Resistance. Today we are brought to you by JSD Supply. JSD Supply is the company that supports this channel and makes all these videos possible. They sell slides, barrels, and everything else that you need to complete your build. And for a limited time, you can use code CRUMP and get $10 off your order above $100 and get free shipping, which is a great deal. Today, we're going to be talking about SAF, Second Amendment Foundation, if you don't know, and Defense Distributed, the makers of the Ghost Gunner, in their lawsuit against California. A while ago, California passed a law banning CNC machines that are primarily used to complete firearms. And SAF has taken issue with this, and Defense Distributed has taken issues with this because the law is targeting their Ghost Gunner machine. So Cody Wilson and the guys over at Defense Distributed teamed up with Alan Gottlieb and the people of the Second Amendment Foundation to sue California over their laws banning Ghost Gunners. If you don't know what a Ghost Gunner is, it's a CNC machine that can fit on your desk and you can use it to finish AKs, ARs, 1911s, and polymer 80s. And California banned these under a controversial law. Defense Distributed and SAF claims that by banning the Ghost Gunner, California is violating the Second Amendment as understood under Bruin. California is only permitted to use the original text and history of the Constitution. Until this new ATF regulation has passed recently, there was very few federal laws and regulations surrounding making your own firearms, and until the past few years, there wasn't really any state laws about making your own firearms. And Defense Distributed and SAF is claiming that California's new laws prevent people from making their own firearms and therefore is a violation of the Second Amendment. But it goes farther than that. There is also another part of the bill which is modeled after the controversial Texas heartbeat bill, which is Texas anti-abortion bill, which Defense Distributed and SAF claim is unconstitutional under the First Amendment. Basically, the law says that if you sue California and you lose in any part, the attorneys and also the organizations are on the hook to cover all legal costs. So let's say you win on 20 out of 21 different subsections of your lawsuit. You are still on the hook to pay California's legal fees because you lost that one motion. And Defense Distributed claims that that violates the First Amendment because you have the right to petition your government. Even though on the surface it is a gun law, it's really about a shot at Texas and their abortion law. Gavin Newsom, when he signed the bill, he actually referenced Texas, and the lawsuit calls this a proxy war with the Lone Star State. The lawsuit smartly turns to California's legislature's words against itself. It quotes the judiciary stating in its analysis that the bill is modeled after the controversial Texas abortion law and includes a number of the same problematic procedural mechanisms. Then it goes even farther by quoting the floor analysis, which states Texas included a number of provisions in SB 8 to discourage lawsuits challenging the law itself. The mechanisms for doing so was to make the party who was not the prevailing party in such lawsuits responsible for attorney fees, imposed liabilities for the fees on both the plaintiffs and their attorneys, and create lopsided and unfair rules about who was the prevailing party. This bill replicates those provisions. So right there, it is saying that this law is probably not constitutional, and that is from the California legislature itself. The lawsuit then brings up the Equal Protection Clause in the 14th Amendment. Basically, this law only applies to people suing California over gun laws. You can sue California over any other law, and this will not be applied to you. It's only people that sue over guns. That really does not seem fair to me. Let me know down below if you think that's fair to you. Also, the final point of the lawsuit is that the law violates the Supremacy Clause. Basically, the federal government can award monetary damages or legal fees if it chooses in a case. But this California law usurps that by requiring it. The Supremacy Clause says that the federal law is superior to state law. Basically, federal law trumps state law, and this law turns that on its head, and therefore, SAF and Defense Distributed claims that it's a violation of the Constitution. They are asking the judge to issue a preliminary and permanent injunction against the law and enjoining the case so the law will not be in effect. So we'll see what happens here. I think it's a pretty good case, and I think they have a good shot, but who knows? California is one of the weird states. They are filing in LA, so I'm not really sure what the makeup of the court is there. But we'll see. All right, guys, that's it for today. Actually, it's not it for today. There'll probably be another video dropping, or it might have dropped before this one. I'm expecting something big to come out, but I'm not sure if it will come out before or after this because I'm actually waiting on this case to drop. It hasn't officially dropped yet. When I say dropped in cases, I really need to say filed. I'm waiting for this case to be filed, but there is another story that should break today. I'm not sure if it's going to break before or after this video gets posted. We'll see. I might go live. I don't know. But join the damn Discord. Come on. It's a lot of fun. And remember, I love you very much. Stay ever vigilant. Stay ever free. Keep in the fight. I am out of here. Wolverine's mother